Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I Kiran. Today we will do MCQ of biology. It would be our first class of solving the MCQ. The chapter name is the living and the non-living things. Alright. So here we go. This is applicable for all defense examination. Alright. So before solving the question, we have to identify some pictures. I know this will not come in your examination, all right, but you must know it because it will help you in solving the question, all right. So can you identify this person? He discovered the cell, so he is Sir Robert Hooke. Okay, he is Robert Hooke. Next person is, can you identify these person? I'll give you an idea that they give the term biology. So he is Lamarck. He is Lamarck. And he is Treviranus. Alright. He is Treviranus. Alright. So combinedly they gave the term biology. Alright. Next one is, can you identify this person? He is the father of botany. Alright. So he is Theophrastus. Alright. He is Theophrastus. He is the father of botany. Okay. Botany, herbs or study of plant. Alright. Next one is the person discovered the microscope. Can you identify this person? He is none other than Leeuwenhoek. Alright. He is Leeuwenhoek. Okay. He is also known as the father of microbiology because from this microscope he saw the microorganism. Alright. So he is father of microbiology too. Alright. Can you identify this person? He gave the term protoplasm. Alright. So he is Purkinje. He is Purkinje. Alright. He gave the term protoplasm. See, P and P you can relate. Alright. Protoplasm. Next one is, he discovered the engine of the cell. Can you identify this person? He is Robert Brown. Okay. He is Robert Brown. So we saw this scientist. Okay. So now it's time to solve the question. Alright. The first question is, the term biology was coined by, see friend, I saw the picture of that two person. Who were they? Lamarck and Treviranus. Alright. So the correct answer is D. Alright. Next question is, physical basis of life is, it is protoplasm. Alright. It is protoplasm. Why? Because presence of protoplasm is the most important characteristic of living organism. Alright. As all life activity take place in protoplasm, that's why it is known as the physical basis of life. Next question is, the most peculiar feature shown by all living organism is, options are excretion, transpiration, autotrophic nature, cellular structure. So correct answer will be cellular structure. See friend, because our body is made up of cell, that's why the option D will be correct, because all living beings are made up of one or more structure and functional unit called cell. Alright. Next question is, the protoplasm term was given by, I told you who gave this term. He is Purkinje. Alright. He is Purkinje. Can you see that person? Alright. He is Purkinje who discovered and gave the term protoplasm. Alright. Next, the main difference between non-living and living is, it's a simple question. Can you identify which option is correct? It is presence of protoplasm. Alright. Because size, movement and growth we can see in the non-living things too, but protoplasm is absent in the non-living things. Alright. Next one is, nutrition occur in, see friend, options are living, non-living, both A and B, and none of this. So nutrition occur in living, all right, because they take food of different to perform the different vital activities, all right. But in non-living things there is no activities and no requirement, so they don't take nutrition, all right. Next one is body organization may be uncontrolled in. See friend, control किस में होगा? Living organism में. They can control their body organization. But in non-living thing, they can't control their body organization. So option B will be correct. Next one is mechanical movement is present in. See friend, जो mechanical movement है वो किस में प्रेजेंट होगा? नॉन लिविंग थिंग में, ऑलराइट. और जो लिविंग थिंग है उसमें ड्यू टू द इंटरनल फोर्सेस दे शो द मूवमेंट एंड लोकोमोशन, ऑलराइट. दे शो द मूवमेंट एज वेल एज लोकोमोशन, ऑलराइट. लेकिन जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है उनमें ओनली मैकेनिकल मूवमेंट इज प्रेजेंट बाय एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. दे कांट मूव बाय देमसेल्फ, दैट्स वाई लोकोमोशन उसमें नहीं होगा, जस्ट मूवमेंट होगा, ऑलराइट. सो वो भी मैकेनिकल मूवमेंट. So mechanical movement is seen in non-living things. All right. Next one is metabolic activities shown by. See friend, what would be the correct answer of it? अब किसके द्वारा मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी शो होती है? तो वो क्या है? लिविंग थिंग्स के द्वारा. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डेफिनेट शेप एंड साइज इज प्रेजेंट इन सिंपल वन, अ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. ऑल राइट. अ लिविंग बॉडी हैज इट्स ओन काइंड ऑफ size and form, whereas non-living objects don't have a form or size of their own. All right. Next one is waste products are excreted by. See friend, it's a simple one, living. All right. It's living organism, because waste products are excreted because they take the food, so they will have to excrete the food too. All right. Next one is who said protoplasm is the basic physical basis of life? See friend, it is Huxley, because Robert Hooke discovered the cell, all right. So Robert Brown discovered nucleus and Lamarck gave the term biology. So correct answer is Huxley. See friend, there is a confusing question. See, mind it what I am saying. Who said protoplasm is physical basis of life? So Huxley said protoplasm is the physical basis of life. And there was one question, the protoplasm term was given by Purkinje. all right. So protoplasm जो term है वो किसने दिया है? Purkinje ने. और प्रोटोप्लाज्म को फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ किसने कहा है? हक्सले ने. ऑल राइट, जस्ट रिवाइज इट वंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज हु सोज इरिटेबिलिटी. सो हु कैन सोज इरिटेबिलिटी? Who can sense something? All right. So living organism, simple one. Who is called the father of microbiology? I told you who discovered the microscope. Anton Leeuwenhoek discovered the microscope. So he saw the microorganism under his microscope. All right. So the father of microbiology is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. All right. Because Lamarck gave the term biology. Okay. Aristotle is the father of biology, we can say. All right. Next one is Linus gave the evolution therapy, evolution concept, or we can simply say nomenclature. All right. So we have done this MCQ. If you like this session, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Okay. Keep learning. If you don't know that we have live classes too, of maths at 6 p.m. and of SSB at 8 p.m. do visit them. Jai Hind.